create using microbit and NexusBot, and what you are seeing here, it's my code, it's the editor for microbit. We use it to send instructions to microbit, and these instructions, where they come from, they are coming from here, from our camera, because we use AI to make this robot very smart. And how smart it is, it can recognize different pictures and different things inside the pictures to do different movements. Okay, let's start with the demo. Go. It will go. And stop. It will stop. Let's start again. Go. It will go. And stop. It will stop. Okay, now let's see if we can give it other directions, like to go up and to go down. Let's say go up. Yes, you see it goes up and it's up, and you say microbit go down. It will go down. Let's do it one more time. Let's say microbit, you go up. Look at the pictures and go up. Yes, it goes up. And say microbit go down. NexusBot go down. And it will go down.